So welcome back. Today we will see what is memo into the React. So you have oftenly seen that even if your component props are not changed, still your component is rendered again and again. So ideally, the component should render whenever there is some change into that component, then only it should render ideally. That's what our main logic is. Okay, but what happens like it re-renders again and again, and how we can avoid that using the memo that we will see. Okay, so let's start. We'll go into our project. Okay, so what we'll do, we already had created block component previously, so we'll use that over here. And for currently I will what I'll do first, I'll add an counter. Okay, set counter method, and here I will use the use state hook. If you're not aware about the use state hook, you can check out my other video where I have explained what is use state hook. Okay, I'll pass the default value 0. Here I'll say input type equals to button, and value equals to plus. I'm saying this is an increment button. Okay, and let's see, here I have a block component. Okay, title equals to, this is the block component which I have created earlier. I'll just show you that. Content equals to used to develop single page application. Okay, so I'll show you what is this block component. So this block component here, I'm just saying console.log block component, this as an interface. Okay, where we are just showing I have just added some classes and there's some css for look and feel. There's a props.title we are showing, and props.content in the paragraph tag. So that's how I have created the block component earlier. We'll just utilize it for now. I think I've just added the memo here. Before, without memo, we'll check, okay, how it will behave. So you can see over here, we have just default export default block. There is no memo over here. Okay, now what I'll do, here we have added block component. This is an increment. Okay, we'll just see how it looks. Let's run the application. Okay, this is how it's looking. Okay, this is title and this is our component. Now will there's nothing happening on this button click. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll just actually ideally I'll just remove this colon and I'll say counter equals to counter. I'll just add a break tag, so new line. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll write a function which will help us to increment the counter on increment click equals to arrow function. Here also set counter equals to set counter inside that counter plus 1 semicolon, and I will call this method on this button click. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Just refresh the page and just open the developer tools. I'll just clear everything. Okay, now let's see. I'm clicking on it, saying block component, it's rendering. Okay, it's rendering multiple times. Okay, So that's how it's rendering. Even there is no change, or we have not changed anything related to the blocks. Even we have not changed the title or content or anything. Okay, this counter is changing, that is fine because this is related to this. But we have not changed anything into this particular component. So still it is re-rendering again and again. So how we can avoid that? That we can use memo. So using memo we can avoid. We have to just import memo from the React library, and what it says, see here. Okay, it's a warning. So that's on my local. Okay, memo. Just that's it. Nothing more we have to do over here. Using this, it will keep re-rendering. Okay, let's refresh this page again. Let's run it. Now I've just cleared the console. Now click on increment button again. See, it's not redirecting. So this is used to help the performance of our application. Okay, or performance gets increased because the component is not re-rendered again and again without any change. Okay, if there is any change, then only just re-render the component. So that's what it is. If you just like this video, please hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.